talk about how can you select your gender on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click here on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click in this side here, above this side. So then it's going to take you to this here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You come here to changer, click on it here. So then here can you select here your changer in this list. So that's all you have to do in there. If you want to select, if you want to visit on profile or no. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support chat by liking, subscribe.